Hello everyone, Hin here, and for today's video, we're going to be working on a needlefelting project, which is, guess what, based on a popular game right now, which is Among Us. So I wanted to make a little needlefelting project, which was a little red imposter. So why did I want to make it? I don't know, I just wanted to bring out the old, needlefelting kit. And because I have to make more videos in order to, algorithm, but no one watches, like, the needlefelting videos, but I just find the process very fun, and then it's, like, very entertaining to do. Well, it's actually fun because you put your focus into creating something from just, some cotton, some wool, and, just endless poking. And to be honest, like, poking is fun. Like, you release all your pent-up stress and stuff. So, yeah, let's make a little red imposter because me and my friends have been playing Among Us for, in this, quarantine season. Because we don't have any stuff to do, and it doesn't break friendships, just like how Mario Party or Uno breaks friendships. Like, no, it's actually very, very fun to play, and if you have a gang of friends, then I suggest you do play it. It's free on mobile, so it's a good, something to pass the time. So, usually a friend of mine would host game night for us during the weekend, and on one weekend, like, we started playing Among Us, and then we found it, like, very fun. It's so fun to do. I mean, it's not fun to be a crewmate, like, what? I just do mindless tasks, go around blaming. No, being the imposter has to be the most fun experience, because you get to be, you have to pretend to do tasks while sabotaging and killing your own crewmates, and it's so fun. Maybe I'm just a psychopath inside, but I don't know, it's just so fun to play Among Us. Like, no, it's fun to play Among Us. It's fun to play the imposter. It's fun to sabotage and kill your own crewmates. Like, I get it. I'm sorry, I'm such a psychopath. But anyways, like, it's just really fun. Like, you have to play like murder mystery or who gone did it, who killed red, who killed blue. It's mega sus. And then it's so fun to put the blame on on a random person and be like, how do I vent? Just like white. And it's just a really fun game, so I suggest you do try it. Try it with a group of friends because it's more fun with friends. It's fun to play with friends, but it's okay if you don't have friends. You can always play public. And that's the fun of it. But anyways, let's just focus on this. So as always, we start with a cotton base because getting it's very expensive to get a needlefelting kit in this country. So we're going to start with a cotton filler. Anyways, I'm making it red. So in my immediate timeline, I don't have any needlefelting projects that's going to be using the color red. So I think I'm going to make a little red imposter. And I actually wanted to give it a little mini-me version because I just find like this cute artwork of the little crewmates having like a little mini-me's, and it's so cute. Some are wholesome, like I see fan art that's just like NSFW. Okay, how does that work? How can we lewd something so cute? Like, there's just a lot of NSFW fan art of Among Us, and I'm in a digital arts group and I see a lot of it. My eyes. Anyways, yes, I wanted to give like the crewmate a little thick bottom, just like some of the NSFW fan arts, just because I think that having a little, rounded bottom is going to be cute and hilarious. But I said, like, nah, let's keep it kid-friendly, family-friendly and stuff. Anyways, we're going to put little feetsies on the guy. I don't know how to put the hands because the hands are, a bit out of the model. So I just decided I'll not put hands. I'll just do with the base model and stuff. Anyways, let's design the glass of the crewmates, which is, you know, I decided to make the glass blue and then put the gray for gradient effects. You can see the gradient is still not good enough. Anyways, yeah, that's basically it. Like, it's a very simple project, and I'm going to upload more needle felting projects soon because it helps pass the time and it's additional content because it's hard to do animations all the time. It's hard to do animatics all the time. So yeah, maybe I'll upload some speed paints later on. So thank you for watching another video, and I hope you do subscribe to the channel and keep safe, okay?